Are you broke but hungry? Is Sapa holding your trousers? Don't worry, I got you, okay? Let me show you how to make delicious spaghetti using only 5 ingredients. Now start by putting some water in a clean pot and allow to boil. While you are waiting for the water to boil, start prepping your ingredients. For this, we are using an onion, a sachet tomato paste, a tin of sardine as protein, and some fresh garlic. Now you can use boiled egg for your protein if you don't have money for sardine, okay? Or you can even use fish, anyone is okay. Now once the water in the pot starts to boil, add some salt to the boiling water and add your spaghetti into the boiling water as well. Cover the pot and allow it to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat, sieve out the water from the spaghetti, rinse the spaghetti with some cold water to avoid it sticking together, and then set it aside in a sieve. Now in your empty pot, add some vegetable oil, also known as groundnut oil. Once the oil gets hot, add your chopped garlic, the chopped onions, and the sachet tomato paste. Fry for about 2 minutes. Then add your peppers, your sardines, some salt, and some seasoning cubes. Now combine everything thoroughly, then add a little bit of water to the mixture. Once you're done doing that, it's time to add the parboiled spaghetti into the stew base. Please don't add too much water so the spaghetti won't get soggy, okay? Now mix everything thoroughly, cover the pot and allow the spaghetti to cook. Once the water is dried up, life done soft for you like for few hours, okay? Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.